Menteri Bakmi ia ketenat ki kampo ieng ba Prest tuntun song loong baki Pulit ke Jylla kila long ki balap pen Khreh Lada kila yo ya kejing pen shisha ya hakabaya day ba kejing mi ki kubor jo kejing pen rong dekat parstang mi Pyrthei ke seng le no nagaro ke Gnla ula ong ba kum kane ke kubor kala mi ru mensim snem hakaba kila don kato katne kila Pyrthei kubor kila pen mi halo kejing pen klein Biang ke Gnla Henry ndala wat ya kejing shisha kamsim ladon kum kata pan mentau snem ru lada kane kawanja ki Pulit ke Jylla kila long ki balap pen Khreh.
Let me reiterate again. Police forces is very much proactive and will make sure that regrouping does not happen.
So, how authentic is this report that they are trying to regroup?
That's what I'm saying, because now you are here to question me. Even me myself, I question myself. Okay, because you don't know whether this news is true or false. But what I'm trying to tell you, 24/7, police forces are always ready, and we are proactive to any such, be it the news or be it the intention of maybe few group of people or maybe some young boys who wanted maybe to have that luxury of having a new group or something. But we are alert, and then we will not at all sleep, and we'll make sure that such regrouping does not arise.
Sir,
Not necessarily to strengthen the presence of police. I'm telling the police is on the ground, and number two, our intelligence report also is fully strengthened. So please leave it to us. But let me assure you, as I said again, that regrouping will not at all happen, and we are not going to allow that. Okay, thank you.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.